Hello everyone, I am Breno, farmer and founder of Ekonavi. Recently, we have won the G20 TechSprint challenge with a prototype for nature-based solutions. The challenge was organized in the context of the G20 agenda by the BIS, BID, Brazil Central Bank, and hosted by the Apex platform. Following the growing market of ecological impact and the international efforts have inspired us to participate. Our team developed a solution that provides a unique framework for impact investment worldwide and can onboard millions of people to blockchain technology. This way, providing transparency, tracking, and crucial incentives for the market. The proposal was deployed in the Apex, a platform that offers a common ground for projects to demonstrate their ideas and interact with the opportunities by using a concise system with precise tools. We hope that our solution can leverage the market by leading the way to more efficiency and broad impact. We encourage other innovators to keep developing your solution, and our advice is always to combine innovation with objectivity and intentionality. Ekonavi is optimistic for the future, and we will be working together with the institutions and communities in order to bring sustainability and development to the markets. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.